Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the wallpaper. So let's tap on it. Here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from, so shape and shadow, floral arrangement, nature patterns, daydreams, or more system wallpapers. All you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it, so let me choose this one for example, and if you're happy with your choice, tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Here we've got this information, so we can go back and check, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.